Venice, often celebrated as one of the most romantic and enchanting cities in the world, is a marvel of human ingenuity and architectural beauty. Situated in the northeastern part of Italy, this unique city is built upon a network of over 100 small islands that are separated by canals and connected by an intricate system of more than 400 bridges. The city's waterways, including its iconic Grand Canal, serve as the primary means of transportation, creating a magical atmosphere where gondolas glide gracefully past historic palaces, churches, and centuries-old buildings. For tourists, the experience of exploring Venice begins with the stunning visual contrast between the shimmering waters and the vibrant facades of Renaissance and Gothic architecture. The canals, which weave through the heart of the city, provide a picturesque backdrop for every step and offer countless opportunities for photographs that look like scenes from a dream. While walking is a pleasant way to experience the narrow streets and charming alleys of Venice, a gondola ride is often considered an essential part of any visit. The gondoliers, dressed in traditional attire, guide their sleek black boats through the waterways, sharing stories and singing songs that capture the essence of Venetian culture. This timeless tradition allows visitors to experience the city from a perspective that has remained unchanged for centuries, offering an intimate connection to its rich history and romantic allure. As one drifts along the canals, it becomes evident that Venice is a city where every building has a story to tell. From the opulent palaces that line the Grand Canal to the humble yet charming homes tucked away in quieter neighborhoods, each structure reflects the city's artistic and cultural heritage. The Grand Canal, often referred to as the Main Street of Venice, winds its way through the city in an S shape, showcasing some of its most iconic landmarks, including the Rialto Bridge and the lavish Ca' d'Oro Palace. The bridges of Venice, each with its unique design and character, add to the city's charm, inviting travelers to pause and admire the views from above the water. The Rialto Bridge, one of the oldest and most famous, is a bustling hub of activity, lined with shops and offering stunning panoramas of the canal below. Venturing deeper into the labyrinth of smaller canals and narrow alleys, visitors discover hidden gems, such as quaint squares, artisanal shops, and cozy cafes where they can savor traditional Venetian cuisine. The city's unique geography encourages a sense of exploration and discovery, with each turn revealing new surprises and moments of beauty. One cannot speak of Venice without mentioning its vibrant and dynamic culture, which is deeply intertwined with its maritime history. As a former hub of trade and commerce during the Middle Ages and the Renaissance, Venice played a pivotal role in connecting the East and West, and this legacy is still visible in its art, architecture, and culinary traditions. The city's museums and galleries house masterpieces by renowned artists such as Titian, Tintoretto, and Canaletto, while its churches and cathedrals, including the stunning Basilica di San Marco, showcase intricate mosaics and ornate designs that reflect its Byzantine influences. The Piazza San Marco, often referred to as the drawing room of Europe, is a lively gathering place and a focal point for both locals and tourists. Here, visitors can sip coffee at historic cafes like Café Florian while enjoying the melodies of live orchestras and watching the interplay of light and shadow on the surrounding architecture. The atmosphere is one of timeless elegance and grandeur, a reminder of Venice's enduring allure as a cultural and artistic center. Beyond its historical and architectural treasures, Venice offers a feast for the senses with its culinary delights and local traditions. The city's cuisine, rooted in its proximity to the sea, features fresh seafood dishes that highlight the flavors of the Adriatic. From savoring cicchetti, small plates of Venetian tapas, at a bustling Baccaro to indulging in a creamy risotto al nero di seppia made with cuttlefish ink, every meal is an opportunity to taste the essence of Venice. The local markets, such as the Rialto Market, offer a glimpse into the daily life of Venetians, with stalls brimming with fresh produce, fish, and regional specialties. For those with a sweet tooth, the city's pastry shops tempt with treats like frittoli, fried donuts filled with cream or raisins, and busoli, buttery cookies that are perfect with a cup of espresso. Venice is also renowned for its wine culture, with Prosecco and other sparkling wines from the nearby Veneto region being popular choices to accompany a meal or toast to the beauty of the city. While Venice's beauty and charm are undeniable, the city also faces significant challenges due to its unique environment. The phenomenon of acqua alta, or high water, causes periodic flooding that threatens the city's infrastructure and cultural heritage. Rising sea levels and the impact of climate change have intensified these occurrences, prompting ongoing efforts to protect Venice and preserve its delicate balance between land and water. Projects such as the MOSE system, a series of mobile barriers designed to prevent flooding, represent the city's determination to safeguard its future while maintaining its historical integrity. Visitors are often reminded of the fragility of this remarkable place and are encouraged to explore responsibly, respecting the city's environment and traditions. Initiatives to promote sustainable tourism aim to ensure that Venice remains a vibrant and thriving destination for generations to come. For those who venture beyond the main tourist areas, Venice reveals a quieter, more intimate side that feels worlds away from the bustling crowds of Piazza San Marco and the Grand Canal. Neighborhoods like Cannaregio and Dorsoduro offer a glimpse into the everyday life of Venetians, with tranquil canals, artisan workshops, and local osterias that serve as gathering places for residents. Here, visitors can witness the craftsmanship that goes into creating traditional Venetian masks, glassware from Murano, and lace from Burano. Each of these islands, easily accessible by Vaporetto, has its own character and charm, adding depth to the Venetian experience. The island of Murano is famous for its glassblowing tradition, where skilled artisans create intricate pieces that are both functional and artistic. Burano, with its brightly colored houses and lace-making heritage, is a visual delight, offering a peaceful escape from the city's busier areas. These excursions allow travelers to appreciate the diversity and richness of Venetian culture while supporting local communities and preserving traditional crafts. Venice's appeal lies in its ability to transport visitors to another world, one where time seems to stand still and every moment feels imbued with magic. Whether it is the sight of a gondola gliding beneath a moonlit sky, the echo of church bells ringing across the water, or the simple pleasure of wandering through a quiet square at dusk, the city leaves an indelible impression on all who visit. Its canals, more than just waterways, are the lifeblood of Venice, shaping its identity and creating a sense of wonder that lingers long after the journey ends. For travelers seeking a destination that combines history, art, culture, and romance, Venice offers an unforgettable experience that is as timeless as the city itself. Please subscribe, share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want more travel tips and inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos. I've got heaps of adventures to share.